In today's video, how to go live on Facebook. Launch Facebook app on your device and then tap on What's on your mind at the top of Newsfeed. At the bottom of Post option, tap on Live Video, and if you don't see this option, make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version via App Store or Google Play Store. You will see preview screen with option to go live. Viewers online may show you how many of your friends are currently online, giving you an idea of your potential audience. At the top of screen, you can adjust who can see your live video. Friends, only your friends can see it, and specific friends, you can choose friend who can see your live video. And public, this means that anyone on Facebook can see your live video. Decide if you want to share a live video to your story by toggling option on or off. And once you configure settings, tap on Go Live to start broadcasting. You can interact with viewers through the comments and reactions in real time. When you are ready to end live session, tap on Finish, and Facebook will give you option to save video or share it to your profile.